Jack Scala at the movie. Making a movie. There you go, get the movie. So, Vegas is crazy right now. Sunday night, December 24th. Flamingo. Let's see if we can go up that bridge, go across the street. Yeah. New York, New York. Zen, where are you going? Hello. This way. Wow.
Yeah, we play with your car.
But here we are.
And we are again, New York, New York.
Las Vegas Boulevard.
Vegas Boulevard.
Lots of tourists.
Yep. Hollywood. Oh, Hollywood.
Getting close to the Bellagio.
Yep. Bless you.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning, Friday, 9/28.
Yep.
And here we are in Vegas. It's crowded, it's packed.
It's very crowded.
Nightlife, everybody's up.
Yep.
Vegas never sleeps. 81 degrees at
Oops.
Eiffel Tower. Get the Eiffel Tower.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
See it going up?
Yep.
In the morning.
Yep, for many people.
It's a Thursday night. It's not even a Friday night or a Saturday night. Thursday night in Vegas. And it's packed. The city that never sleeps. There's Bally's.
Hi, honey.
Oh,
Oh.
okay, switching over to me. Caesar's Palace. There we are. Of course, we got road construction in the middle of Las Vegas Boulevard. Cabaret. You see the dash. Ford Escape. Not something I would ever buy, but it's good enough.
Valleys. Wow, nice.
Then you got these trucks advertising girls. Non-stop. And then there's Jen.
Yep. Hi.
And then you can see Flamingo Road. Flamingo Road. Caesar's Palace. Now we're at the center of Las Vegas Boulevard.
Yep. Flamingo.
Yep. We got low battery.
Backlight.
Shutting down, low battery.